I decided to replace my suspension arm bushings. When the arms came out, they looked quite ugly compared to what they would have looked like 20 years ago. What if you bought a new one? Maybe not in this lifetime. How about a media blaster cabinet, a compressor to power it, and kilograms of blasting media to send around the garage propelled by compressed air? Fortunately, you can do a good job without much outlay, with the fiscal cost substituted for a temporal one. These aluminium arms are out of a Mazda FD RX-7 and look pretty good when new, and in the process of replacing the bushings, the arms are cleaned up. The Nylon or soft brush works great on soft aluminium to agitate the road grime and saturated by a multi-purpose cleaner. I bought this pack of 3 bad boys on eBay for about $11 delivered. Further agitation by way of a blue scotchbrite pad can get the arm looking good enough for most to put back in the car and be able to complete 4 full sleep cycles and face the next day without fear of dirty arms. cleaners on the market that work great with aluminium. This product, Chemtech Blitz, is often used on boats or engine blocks and can be used diluted to clean them if used regularly. It's corrosive, and as a result, doesn't taste good, so don't even think about ingesting, inhaling, or contacting it. As these arms contain 20 years of miscellaneous shite, the product undiluted is placed into the container. If diluting, add the product to water, not the water to the undiluted product, or else. It's worthwhile wearing safety glasses when applying the product to the arms, as the brush used in this instance could fling the product far enough to land in your eyes if you aren't careful, penetrating even the best safety squinting. Although you only need one eye, having a spare helps with depth perception, and you begrudgingly clean them for the next time. on the bench, I used a rotary tool with wire wheel alternating with a polishing pad to remove any remaining contaminants. Be careful, as you may end up having to polish the entire arm, and in turn, every arm in the vehicle if you're too heavy-handed with the tool, as you could end up with an uneven finish.